Cool. So we have the patient in the chair now, and we're going to do some close-up smiles from different angles to get some kind of like artistic shots. And then we're going to do some retracted photos. So let's start with the kind of like the artistic one. So go ahead and smile, Nicolette. Again, these are just the same as like those lateral photos, but again, getting a little bit more black on the borders a little bit. Smile real big. And if you want to get a profile, you can try to get some more profile shots. Smile real big. Good. And a little bit more of that black background, which looks kind of cool. Okay, so let's do some intro. So Julie's going to place some clear retractors, so let's do that. And then what we have done is we have moved the softboxes a little bit lower to get a little bit light. And again, I'm just getting over the patient. And you can check that out, looks pretty cool. Then we're gonna do a couple more, okay? Yeah, much better. Yeah, okay. Let's do that again, okay? Lots of stretching. Okay, again, so I'm gonna get over the patient, center the image, and then I'm gonna have you open a little bit, Nicolette. There you go, cool. So now we can see the upper teeth and lower teeth. Okay. Let's get some lateral views, so go ahead and bite down. Again, I'm gonna use the lateral incisor as my center or focus. Okay. So we got a couple of photos with like the occlusion from side to side. Okay. And then let's do the black contrast.
Okay.
I think I like the black contrast with the clear retractors.
Okay.
And then the Optigate we'll use for the mirrors. Yeah.
Okay.
You okay? Okay.
All right, babe. Ready? Okay, you can relax your lips. And I'm gonna let that rest just for a second, okay? And then open slightly, open.
So this is what we're gonna do to get like the floating teeth shot, okay?
Open a little bit more, okay? Okay, and you can gently close on that. Hold on one second.
Do you want me to hold it?
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah, let me center that a little bit more. You okay? Okay, those are pretty cool. So again, this is a little bit more of that floating teeth shot. If you want to start to get like the characteristics of the teeth and things like that. Let's do one more. See if you can retract a little bit more.
Mm-hmm.
And bite down a little bit, Nicolette. Good.
There you go.
There you go. Yeah, so that way you can appreciate the gum levels, the characteristics of the teeth. So we're good. Okay. Then we'll do Optigate.
Okay.
So we're going to use the Optigate to get a couple more photos, more occlusal type photos if you're trying to show like posterior teeth, posterior work that you propose. So let's try that. You okay? Okay, good.
Yeah, babe. Ready?
So while we have that in, we'll just go ahead and take a couple more shots so you can kind of compare. So Nicolette, go ahead and bite down for me.
Give me a twist.
Yeah, bite on your back teeth. There you go, cool. Yeah, you want to hold it?
Yeah. I don't usually do this upside down.
Okay. Yeah, you can bite down all the way, perfect. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, we'll get one of her similar to this, but I'm gonna have you open a little bit, like a little bit more. Good. A little bit more. Perfect. Thank you. Okay, and I probably could have centered that a little bit better, but we'll talk about that later. Okay, cool. So we're gonna get some occlusal photos, okay? So for the occlusal photos, just remember, like, we are trying to get like in the back of the mouth or as far back as we can. So I've kind of dialed up the lighting to increase the light, turned on the lights as well. So let's get a couple of occlusal shots, okay? So go and place it. And open really big. And again, I'm shooting the reflection. Okay, and let's do the lower. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
So let's take that out and let's go over some things of what to do and not to do, okay? So we're gonna go back to the other room, okay? You good? Awesome. All right, so let me get set back up over there and then we'll go over some shots, okay?